Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. Now I am talking about what is earthing and what is the type of earthing part 2. In my previous video, I was talking about what is earthing and what is the type of earthing, and in this video, now I am talking about the second part of type of earthing. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Type of earthing. We already know there are 5 main types of earthing as given below. Pipe earthing system, plate earthing system, rod earthing system, earthing through the Waterman, and strip or wire earthing system. In my previous video, I already talking about pipe earthing system, and now I am talking about other 4 type earthing system. In this video we will discuss about type of earthing. Plate earthing. The plate is made up of copper or galvanized iron used in this type of earthing. It's done by placing plate vertical in the ground pit less than 3 meters from the ground and chemical substance used around the plate to maintenance moisture condition and for good electrical grounding. The plate is connected to the conductor to divert the electrical charge into the earth. Rod earthing system. The length of the electrode embedded in the earth reduces the resistance of the earth because the copper rod with galvanized steel pipe is placed directly on the ground, either physically or using a hammer and placed at the desired value. At a certain depth, the rod used for this purpose is buried in the ground and safely deliver the short circuit current in the ground. For sandy areas, this earthing method is suitable and this earthing method is economical. Earthing through the Waterman. Waterman galvanized GI pipe are used for earthing purpose, reduce resistance. If any insulated conductor is used, such as earth wire, clean the ends of the wire strand and make sure they are straight and parallel to connect tightly to the Waterman pipe. Strip or wire earthing system. In this type of earthing strip, electrode of not less than 25 mm into 1.4 mm are buried of at last 0.5 mm and their cross-sectional area should not be less than 6.0 mm square. If it is a galvanized iron or steel, the length of the conductor should not be less than 15 meter. This length buried in the ground will give adequate earth resistance. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friends. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.